Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So in my previous video, I talked about the general benefits of turmeric. Today I'll talk about how turmeric affects the performance and recovery in professional athletes. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. Turmeric shows anti-inflammatory effect by lowering the inflammatory response of TNF-alpha and lowering the other inflammatory markers in our body. Turmeric also increases the activity of antioxidant enzyme. This property of turmeric makes it an ideal supplement for improving the performance and recovery for people who exercise on a daily basis. When you work out, lift weight, it causes muscle soreness, which is basically inflammation. Turmeric can help lower that inflammation and improve the recovery. One pilot study found that twice daily consumption of turmeric supplement lowered a blood marker of inflammation and muscle soreness in elite male footballer following the match play. Turmeric may help in the management of exercise-induced inflammation and muscle soreness, thus enhancing the recovery and subsequent performance in active individuals. So turmeric is an ideal supplement to improve your performance and for faster recovery. So if you are a professional athlete or if you are just a regular person exercising on a daily basis, consider turmeric as a supplement to add to the list of your supplements. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.